A nice easy job. We just remove this foot support, held on with two 10mm bolts. We've just to remove some trim from the footwell here, just held in with one trim clip. And that just pops off. And we just do the same on this side. After that enormous amount of work, we're now ready to take out the carpet. We'll start with this one at the rear and work our way forwards. So with an upholstery clip remover, we'll just work our way around, removing these clips. So all the clips out, we can lift out this carpet now. Before we can remove the front carpet, we need to remove these seatbelt anchors. They're held on with a 16mm bolt. Now hopefully we should be ready to remove this front carpet, and we just work our way around, spotting trim clips and busting them off. All right, let's haul this thing out. Let's see. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Loves it. One carpet.